Now we are blood.
Then why are you mad at me? I need a queen. I need a woman in my life. You can't keep chasing all the girls you see around me indirectly. No! You can't get married. And you know it.
What about me? What about my feelings? Huh?
Hey, come on. You're trying to find a man for yourself. So what happened? Why not try harder? Find a man.
I don't know how to do it. I don't even know how to do that. Come on. I've loved you all my life.
Hey. This is not even a conversation. You know what? You need to go for a vacation. You need to cool your head. You can't get married. Let that stick to your brain. This is reality.
Oh, really? This is it? Now? Fine. I think I get it clear. No, I understand. Excuse me.
I needed to understand this.
Are you stupid? What is it? Stop it! I can't stop it! What is wrong with you?
Father.
Are you stupid or mad? What has gone wrong with you? You flog and beat anybody in this kingdom as you want. What is wrong with you?
Father, please. You need to leave my room. Leave my room. I do not want to be angry at you.
Chima, you are daring me. You are daring me, Chima. Hey, come here, Chima. You are daring me. If I ever see you beat this girl again, I will skin you alive. Chima, I said come here.
Get on your knees. Now! I don't know why I hate you so much. I hate you with everything in me. I don't know why. You're such an ugly girl. Stupid. Foolish. Even looking for an adjective to qualify your stupidity. How many times have I told you that I do not like that bedsheet on my bed? How many times? Huh?
Prince, I was not the one that addressed it. It was Amara. I only found out she used that bedsheet. I came to change it.
Hey, Amara, Amaka, or whatever. You all are the same. Right? You are going to be here until night falls. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Got my eyes on you. Of stone. She wants to kill me.
Calm down. Stop. She's not the one that made the food. I did.
You're trying to tell me that you made a meal for me full of stone Or you're trying to come out for this girl?
Stop! Ah! What? Are you crazy? Are you insane?
Dad?
Since you came back from Europe here, you have been beating everybody under my roof. Are you mad? Wait, what is wrong with you? Or have you been taking drugs?
Father, you splashed your drink on me because of this ugly thing. This one here.
Yes, I did. And if you dare me next time, I will do more than this.
You know what? I am not in the mood for this drama. Excuse me.
Get the hell out of my sight.
My friend, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. My king, I'm here to inform you that I got admission in Abia State University to study accounting.
Wow. So you made it?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Whoa. Finally, the most ugly staff in this palace is about to go to school. Well, you know what? You can't lose everything in life. Come on now.
Bro, please stop it. You don't mean it?
No. It's only the beautiful ones that go to school. Those that are brilliant. I hope you're brilliant. Not going there to show your ugly self in the high institution.
Oh, bro, please stop it. You actually have a point.
I said stop it, Adore.
Oh.
What's wrong with all of you?
Oh.
Amaka, my daughter.
Yes, sir.
Once again, congratulations.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
I'm super proud of you. Don't ever allow anybody to make you get discouraged.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Because I know you are going to be great.
Oh, Daddy, please stop.
You're going to be a hero.
Thank you. I think I brought this for you. I brought this wine to say thank you for everything you've done for us in this palace. I'm grateful. Thank you for the fatherly love. And to say that my work here is done because I want to focus on my education now.
Shut up. What is this cheap thing you brought here?
I said stop!
It's not poisoned.
What is it?
You're going to drink poison.
I think it's the fake one.
I said shut up!
Oh, okay, Daddy.
Definitely fake drink. I mean,
I'm
Amaka,
sure
my
she can
daughter.
afford a drink.
Come, let me bless you. And when you get to school, find out your admission fee. I'm going to put the beer.
Thank you so much, baby.
I guess that's why she
Thank you.
It's all right.
Get it.
Chiamaka was around just now.
She stepped out.
Eh.
Yes.
My prince, I'm not sure she's out of this kingdom.
Yes, my prince. She just stepped out now. But my prince, I hope there's no problem. Because considering what happened at the palace today, we are already worried. I and my mother.
Well, there's no problem. You have nothing to worry about. Just that we had an appointment for her to meet me up at the palace tonight. I have waited.
Okay. Okay. In that case, no problem, my prince. What happened is immediately she comes back, we will notify her that you came. You came and you asked after her, my prince.
There is no problem. I just only interested in having a fine, beautiful meeting with her. I know my visitation tonight might have caused some panic, but it's okay. You have nothing to worry about.
My prince, we trust you. We trust you, don't worry. I will inform her when she gets back.
Okay. Have a good night.
Good night.
All right, good night, my prince. Mama?
What is Mama? Where's your sister?
Is she not... I thought she was around now.
No.
You didn't see her? Chiamaka.
let's go inside the room so you can sleep well. This place is not comfortable for you. Please.
I'm fine here. I want to sleep here.
But you know this place is not comfortable. I want to tell you something. You are safe with me. I won't do anything against your wish. I just want you to be fine. I just want you to be okay. Please, I want you to trust me.
I trust you, but let me sleep here.
You're sure you want to sleep here? You know your happiness is my priority. I will just do as you wish.
Get out of my sight!
I'm sorry, my princess.
Out! Fool! You're just tall for nothing. How could you not see this common girl and bring her to me? Silly. Damn.
What are you doing? Come on, stop this. Stop it.
Babe, I need you. I want you.
Hey, come on, stop this. Can you listen to yourself? Just listen to yourself for a second. We're talking about land business that could fetch us a fortune. And you're here talking about me sleeping with you. You sleeping with... Are you right?
Shh. Stop talking and get to it. Come have me. Hey, you will enjoy it. Stop it.
Stop it. Stop this. Stop it. See, you need to focus on your new man, alright? I have someone in mind that I intend to marry. And bringing her into this palace, alright? I intend making her my queen.
Shut up! Stop talking, baby. You're wasting the time. Listen, you enjoy it. You taught me everything. And I'm so perfect right now. You taught me how to smoke, how to drink alcohol, and all of that. Babe, I am deeply on you. Enjoy me.
Oh, come on!
Come have me.
Stop! You're going crazy right now.
Yes,
You're saying stupid things.
I'm crazy about you.
Hey. You know what you need to do right now? Calm down, right? Focus on your new man. Make him love you. Love him too. Force things and make it happen. With that, you can forget about me.
I love you too. I love you. You're all I want, baby. I need you. Listen. I'll make it up to you. You're going to enjoy it. I'll make you like it. I love you.
You're going crazy right now. Go. Hey!
And what is going on here? Chima. What is wrong with these two adults? Chima! Adure! What? Good morning, Oga Oscar.
How many times have I told you not to call me Oscar? My name is Oscar, okay?
Okay.
I made breakfast for you. I'm sure you would like it.
You sabi cook?
Are you serious? My mom taught me how to cook. In fact, I'm a good cook.
Okay.
Let's start with this. Okay.
It's delicious.
I told you, right? So rate my cooking skills 1 to 10.
8.
That's fair enough. But it's fine. Okay, enjoy your breakfast, okay? While I go clean up the kitchen. Alright. Enjoy. Okay.
My prince, she left very early this morning.
Yes.
But we told her you'll be visiting.
Exactly.
wish to have her contact.
Okay.
I'd like to speak with her directly.
No problem. Oh, let me put it.
Okay.
Okay. My prince. That's both our WhatsApp line. Anyone, they're active.
Thank you.
But we are keeping the priest and you go and get him share. Fast.
Okay.
Also. My prince. You are welcome.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Fire, royal attack. Chiwendi. Manyika wakike. The battle line has been too long. Bam bam. Anything you dare talk. Now your matter. I want upon your send. Ichonko kasi. I want upon your send.
I not tell you, Sam.
How does it mean?
Now, Juju. I tell you, say I dream this, you not believe me. The body came when I take put for my papa land. This idiot remove and can't go plant this shampoo. I know well, I go show this people madness. I know they fear anybody.
Chiwendo, what are you doing with this? I hope you know what I'm thinking.
Now Juju be this. What you they think now be this now Juju? They plant Juju for that place. And I'm not saying that my uncles in collaboration with Queen Dora, now they plant this shampoo, but they don't fail because I will deal with them.
You have to throw this away, okay? There are other ways to sort this out.
So I go throw him. I'm not going to try him. I return her back to sender. I dey go plant this Juju back for my uncle land. Wait, I dey come.
Why?
What you be why? Back to sender. I dey carry this thing go shook and there back. They don't know me. I know well.
Chiwendo, you have to listen to me. There are other ways to sort this out.
No, Juju be this one. It go enter your body.
Chiwendo, listen to me now.
They come.
My love, you have to be very careful. But I'm surprised. But why is Queen Dora in support of your uncle selling the land?
Na envy na. Not be today they don't fight my papa. They don't attack this man since because of this land. Na envy.
My brothers, the last time I checked, I did not put a signpost on that land that it is for sale. So I don't have any land for sale. Chief Ume came here and I told him I don't have any land to sell. Because I want my son to build on that land. And you all know that that land is my birthright. You are still asking me to sell it.
Even at 10 million naira.
Eh? Which 10 million? Carry your 10 million, go to wait for which we don't need them. My papa no go sell any land give you now. We will not sell the land to you people now by force. What happen? Eh? Una not get land to sell. I don't like the way this land matter don't they go. The way they go, I don't like it. Make una stop am.
Chiwendo, we're only talking to your father, not you. Why not go to your shop?
My father will not sell any land to you people. Tell Chief Ume say will not go sell and give una. Period. Boom.
We don't like the way your daughter is talking to us. We don't.
Chiwendo, calm down. It is you people that is taking this matter too far. I did not tell you that I wanted to sell my land. Well, you kept pushing. I'm pushing. Brother, since Chiwendo is now telling you what to say and do, no problem.
Papa Ebuka, yeah, you don't define my trouble. You are beginning to look for my trouble. Don't make me vex so. If to say as first child what I be man. Una no go consult me before I go talk about land. You think I be like una children when they get in herself. I dey get myself as woman o. And I stand gidigba. My father will not sell any land to you people. Period.
We've heard you. Since your daughter is now your mouthpiece, she's the one now telling you what to do. There's no problem.
They go and his mouthpiece. Come on, stay back for this place. Let's go. Come on here. Say them be. Papa, no sell this land though. Me and you go get problem if you sell this land.
Trust me, man. I no go sell land. What for? My birthright.
happened just now? Chimo. So broad daylight not reach this boy again. They don't attack me for dream. Can't they use my brother face? So they want me to have issues with my brother. Papa Ebuka, I know say your hand will be this. And you didn't manipulate this thing, but it no go work for you. I go sleep again, come back again. Come back, attack me again. Come again. Are they mad? Waiting. What's happened? Talk now. Talk. What?
We are in the farm.
Papa. What's up with Papa?
Papa collapsed.
Collapsed? For farm?
Yes.
Yeah, Chika.
Yeah, they're in the hospital.
Which hospital? Which hospital? For 2 months now they don't fight my papa. My papa never get himself for 2 good months. From his left hand to his leg. So till my brother stopped school because of my papa, so that they could carry my papa from one place to the other. Even me, not be small hustling I don't do. I don't hustle from my shop or make I forget money to pay in medicine. We go prayer house, pastors tell us say now my uncles they do my papa this thing. Because say my papa no gree sell and give them, they fight the man, but me they no worry. I dey gidigba for them. I know they fear anybody. I know they shake. I full ground.
This is really strange.
Not be small thing. Not be small thing. But I no go grieve for them. I will not let them have peace. Because I know they take my papa play.
My love, I understand how you feel, but you have to be very careful. You know, fighting the royal family is very dangerous.
No go there. Come up for that place where you dey go because I must fight them. That's the honest truth. Make I not fight them, make they keep my papa. I no go agree. This land no go reach their hand.
You know I care about you. Please, you have to be very careful. You have to take it easy. I know what I'm saying.
I don't hear you, but I no go agree.
Okay, son. But you know it's been long you visited, right? So tell me, when are you going to come back home? Oh, you already know I'm missing you. Am I supposed to tell you this? Come on. Of course. It's okay. I am here with your uncle, the honorable of this kingdom. Sure, you can. Please, Obiora, my son.
Oh, my prince. Good morning. How are you doing today? Oh, we are fine. It has been a while. How is your business over there? Everything is fine. Don't forget we are preparing seriously for your coronation. It is well. Hope London is doing you good. I came to visit your mother. Yes, everybody's fine. Okay. Let me give it to her so you continue your discussion with her, okay? I'm waiting to see you.
All right. Okay, son. Can we continue later? Yes, already in a meeting with your uncle. I love you and you know that. Take care of yourself. Bye.
My queen.
I am so happy. So tell me, how was your trip to Lagos? You went to visit your son and his family. I hope they are doing good.
They are pretty fine. How are you doing today, my queen?
Oh, as you can see, I'm good.
I see it.
Where are these girls?
Oscar, thank you for everything. I really appreciate.
It's alright. It's nothing, okay?
Now something, a very big thing to me. You know what you do for us? God will bless you, oh.
Amen. Let's just hope Papa gets stronger, okay? Alright, let me just rush to the office. I'll come back later.
Okay.
Alright, please take care of yourself.
Sure.
And also take care of Papa.
I will.
I'll see you later, okay?
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Your daughter found favor in my sight, and I wish to make her the queen of this land. I mean, my wife.
Hey, my prince.
Yes. I mean, what other business should bring me to your abode, if not to see Chiamaka?
Hi. Hello, my prince.
I want her. I understand the condition, right? And I believe no woman on earth will reject this awesome offer from a magnificent prince.
Of course.
Soon to be king. So, I mean, from the history we share, now I know that we have to work together. We have to do some homework so she will dance to my tune.
Of course.
Yes. And if you do that, I shall reward you handsomely.
Oh, my prince, you don't even need to reward us. Yes, I have said it and it is done.
Exactly. Exactly, my prince.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Good. I love this. Put in more work. I do not want her to say no. I am the prince.
It is written.
Soon to be a king.
Of course.
Of this kingdom.
Of course. We know.
We know. Chiamaka, find favor on your side.
Oh, good. This
there.
one is assuring. It's good. I will send for you later in the day.
Okay.
Okay? And please, make sure she accepts this offer without prejudice.
My prince, you have nothing to fear. Yes.
I am the elder brother.
You have nothing to fear.
This is our mother. Hey, straight.
Good.
Oh,
thank you.
Thank you, my prince.
And I shall be expecting positive feedback.
Exactly, my prince.
She must not reject this offer.
No, not at all. My prince, Aguike, Ogenede, bye-bye.
I'll be back.
Yeah, okay, we are waiting. Oh. Mama, you see? Hey. Bye-bye, you, my prince. Bye-bye, you, Jofuma. My prince.
Another week. Give him another
Bye-bye. Mama. Hey.
Ekene,
Mama,
I said it.
is this a dream?
Life is happening life. I said it, that it will happen. Ekene, look at me in the eye, and you will know that your mother has spoken. No noise.
Mama.
Don't faint, sit down.
Chamaka.
Sit down, let's
Wait.
continue. Let's continue.
Wait, we can get burger.
Hey! Chim.
I need to. Okay, he will call Chamaka.
Mama. No, make it make sense. Because I don't know my water. Please, make it make sense.
Chamaka, sit down. Dude, go there now. Sit down. This is family. We are having a conversation. You Malilian, you now stood up as if you want to attack us. Sit down. I said you sit down.
Sit where?
Okay.
I will not sit down here.
All right.
Mama, are you not disappointed at yourself? You know when God didn't make you for saying this. You want me to marry who? Clean your mouth. Mama, you of all people know what I went through in that bastard's hand. That bastard called me names. He said, Mama Buchamaka, that I'm ugly. I know how many times I used to cry. Come to you and tell you what that bastard did to me. You will tell me sorry. Now you want me to marry him. Why? Because of your longer throat. Makapiro, don't look at me like that. You look at me like that. Makapiro Gologo, Mama, you want me to marry that man? You want to carry your daughter? Who be an even hellfire? Ah, Mama. I will not marry that man. Whether you like it or not, I will not marry him.
Amaka, to err is human, and to forgive is divine.
Ma'am, are you not a Christian?
The prince has changed. Yes, I can assure you that. Marry him and be the queen of the queen. Oh, queen.
Mama, you know the shame for yourself. Because I'm even tired of getting shame on your behalf. Mama, if you like, pick a pig. Wash a pig. A pig will still be a pig. That man is a monster, and a monster he is forever. He can never change. I will not marry him. I will never marry him. Wait. What happens to Paukonkwo and his family? Those people saw me through school. You know what I'm talking about. Stop looking at me like that. I belong to a chica, and nothing you two can do about it.
Hey! Enough. I don't want my head to scatter like popcorn. Enough. What are you talking about, Echika and their family? They sponsor you in which school? Don't aggravate me. Let me put the grammar. Who also saw you at school? Don't get me mad. Because after all, your elder brother, I paid your school fees.
Of course.
Did I not pay your school fees?
Yes.
50,000 send delegate. And I even wish you congratulations. You know, every time you come, this is Chika, Chiwendo, and the Paukonko that you always use to refer to your family. We are not talking about them. We are talking about you being a queen.
That's it.
That is why we are here.
All.
If you want us to be shouting, I will be more louder than you. I'm very well. Then when I'm hot temper.
Hey!
Okay.
Hey!
Mama?
Are
you hearing your daughter?
So if they want to call people that train people in school, you gave me 50,000 naira in Eko. You trained me in school. That 50,000 naira, was it for handout? Was it for textbook? Was it for my hostel fee or lodge fee? What would you have that 50,000 naira before? When I call you on phone, you will tell me, my organizing business is not progressing. I'm not seeing money. Mamange. I remember calling you on phone. Nobody is buying vegetable. I will pluck vegetable, I will go to market, nobody is buying it. But you are eating.
Okay.
You people are eating. Do you know how I fed? Do you know who gives me money? Let me tell you. Papa Okongo placed me on monthly salary. And Titi Wendo buys all my pants, all my bra. She buys all. Echika buys clothes for me. He comes to my school every weekend with provision and foodstuffs. Did you come to my school? Do you know my school? Do you know where I lived in school? No, and you're here calling yourself my elder brother and my mother. You trained me in which school? Let me not say what I will say that I will regret it.
Get quiet, just shut it up there. Shut your dirty mouth. I don't know. Close it up. Are you mad? Are you okay? Are you normal? What is your problem? You're running your mouth like a tap. What is wrong with you? Amaka? Amaka? Pia? Pia? Don't provoke me. Don't provoke me. Papa,
you want me to be that queen? Maybe if you be that queen, it's very good. I'll be the princess, you be the queen. Onjo, if you marry the prince, is it a bad thing?
I don't like the way you're talking.
I will not marry the prince. I will not.
Mama,
the only thing that will make me marry that prince is when you put me out of this house. But for that, I will not marry the prince.
Mama, you know I have short temper. This temper now is rising, oh. I will beat you if you raise it. Mama, say something now. Say something.
What do you want me to say?
Look at what I will see. If you open your mouth and talk to me, your elder brother or mama like this again, pull away.
Don't touch me.
What do you want to do?
Let me slap her.
You want to do what? Slap a future queen.
Let me calm down. Let me calm down because you are going to that palace.
Don't try. Don't try.
You're going to that palace.
Yeah, one. I'm begging
you.
You are my daughter. You will marry the prince. Don't worry. There's nothing wrong. You will have a good life. You will marry the prince. Oh?
Mama. Papa. You know what? Let me make it clear. Maybe you did not hear me before. Maybe you did not hear me before. This your hair is covering your ear. Let me make it clear. I will not marry the prince. I will not marry the prince. I'm going to marry Echika, whether you like it or not. I will not marry the prince. I will not marry the prince. You better make up your mind. Who is going to marry the prince? Either you or you. Makamua, my hands. I wash my hands, my leg off it.
See, if we get Echika, the relationship is over. Mama, if not that this, we have plan for the queen, for she to become queen. I have killed somebody.
Don't kill
Don't worry. Don't worry. I will see Echika. You see, I'm talking to you. You go inside, Abi. You and Echika relationship ends today. Today.
Calm down.
Don't worry, I'm coming. So,
Amaka, you will marry the prince whether you like it or not. Don't worry, I'm coming to meet you in the house.
Oh Lord! Hey! Oji, one level. Oji! No, it can't be possible. Oji! Enemies! You're my only brother, you know that. Please come. Please wake up. Oji! Hey! Gods of our land! Hey! Let's go. Hey! What? No! Oji! Hey! I'm coming. Hey. So I will soon embark on my search for her.
Hey! So that's the reason they want the land?
This is unbelievable. Papa, you mean the late king appeared to you while we were at the hospital?
Yes.
And told you the reason the family wanted to take our land?
Yes.
Hi, Papa, what else did he tell you? I feel like he told you lots of things. I knew something was wrong somewhere. This is not friendship title.
Yes, he told me much, but for now, I will have to hold that. All I want from you is to keep this secret to your heart. Let's watch their next move.
But Papa, he sent you to go and look for his old lover. How are you going to do? Do you even know the person?
I do not, but I believe that the gods will help me locate her. And if I see her, I know she has something to tell me. Okonkwo, there's problem. No problem. In fact, OJ has cardiac arrest. He can't even breathe. He can't even walk.
Hey.
What happened? Come with me, there is trouble. We need you now. What happened to him? Okay, I saw him in his farm, lying like a dead wolf. We need you, Biko. Biko. Okay.
No, but you can stay.
Biko. Let me go. Hey, audio.
I hope it's fine.
My sweet uncle. Why you go die now? Which kind of be this? Hi, my lovely uncle. Let's do this one. Oh. Hey! Hey! Hi!
So like this, Uncle Lodge is dead.
Hi!
Just like that, Papa.
He stepped on the charm in his farm.
Hey!
And that was it. Chineke. That was what the seer said.
Now, wow. How come do this kind of thing? How person go buy a fellow man? Because of land. But Uncle Oji is safe. Leave people land in no gree. Leave people wives in no gree. Now they don't buy them. I go miss some more. This death is a very painful something. Oh. Uncle Oji.
This is unbelievable.
May his soul rest in peace. Oh.
Amen. Oh. Amen.
Hello?
Hello? Sister Chimendo? Yes. The princess is on her way coming.
Eh? You mean
Yes, she's coming. She's on her way.
Thank you. Now God go bless you for me.
Okay, bye-bye.
Chimo.
Sister, what is it?
They say person where they owe me money, they my shop. I won't go collect my money. I they come.
No, be careful. Oh. No, Papa, just like that. Uncle Lodge is dead. Hey, stop his life.
You think you're mad? This princess thinks she's very, very, very mad. You see madness today. You see madness, correct madness today. Imagine you insult my own father. Hey! All hell will let loose. All hell will let loose. This mannerless princess. What kind of rubbish is this one? Imagine their father were to be alive. That means the princess and the brother will be beating that man. Oh, wahala sha. We will hear scores. You see today. We will hear scores.
You just stay from Galadina in this world, no, because she never sees something. And you go for very fair.
You evil! You think your evil hands will prevail in this our kingdom? Oh, you think I'm afraid of you? Answer me!
Oh no.
Yes?
You are definitely dragging my patience. I want to speak to my counselors now!
Until you remove your filthy hands from that land and your daughter, tender unreserved apology to Ichi Okonkwo for assaulting him. If not, I promise you there will not be any meeting again in this kingdom.
What is this old fool blabbing about? What are you talking about? Are you now more powerful than my mother and I? Answer me. Are you more powerful than my mother and I?
Young man, let me give you this adage. The son of a driver to the king can never be the king.
How dare you? How dare you? Do you want me to kill you?
You cannot kill me.
Do you want me to kill you?
You cannot kill me.
Guts!
Do you want me to kill you here?
Take him out of this palace!
What? Bring him back.
Come back.
You! Come back here, old man.
You! Oh! Let me tell you this. You will never be my king in this kingdom. I promise you that.
And let me assure you, I will be the king with you or without you.
And let me tell you that you will never be.
Follow me. Come on, good man. Follow me. We'll beat you up.
You?
Chima! What has gone over you? Have you lost your sanity? What?
Please!
No. You dare rob your know of this kingdom? Are you insane?
I will not stand here and allow that old fool insult royalty. No, I will not. So please!
You don't take laws into your hands!
Mother! Please!
A king's driver cannot be king. Why the adage? What was he trying to say? Was he trying to say, or am I the one thinking loud? No, I think there's more to this than I know. I need to do the needful. It's high time I made Chima the king. Yes, I will make him the king because I do not understand Onoru's assertion. A king's driver cannot be king. Yes. Well, Oyena was the king's driver.
Fire, royal Chiwendi, Wanyika Wakike. The battle line has been drawn. Anything you dare talk, now your matter.
Oh my word, who would do this rubbish? How am I supposed to pass? I don't even have any guard with me. Am I supposed to pick this nonsense? What?
I'm not telling you I'll catch you.
Did you do this because of me?
I'm not telling you if I catch you, I go wound you. You no fear, you tear my papa slap you.
Hey.
You no fear.
Hey, listen, I am not caught up for your madness, okay? Just take this out. I have somewhere I am rushing to. Please.
Ma clear you, you go collect woto today. I go wound you. People go hear the scores. Your minds go dead. What? You tear my papa slap. That man, I need to use and play. You enter my house, tear my papa slap.
Oh, what kind of rubbish is this? I'm not even with any guard.
You don't be you. How do you want your punishment? How do you want your beating? Because I go beat you today. I go wound you.
Do you want to flog me? Are you forgetting that I am the princess? You want to embarrass me?
You see the talk, Abi? I don't get time for plenty talk. How do you want your punishment? Choose now. For your hand or for your back. Fast.
You want to flog me? Guards!
This is they follow you play. Choose fast.
Calm down. Be calming down, Chinwendu.
Where do you want it?
my ass, my bum bum bum. Please take it easy. It's quite
Go and
expensive.
lie down fast. Lie on the car fast.
Slow down, please. Just take it easy, okay?
The battle line has been too long. Anything you did.
Lie!
Hold on, let me explain.
Don't explain to give me that back. I'm going to wound you.
You will kill me.
Lie down.
I'm going to die.
Lie down. Lie down.
I'm going to die.
Come this way.
Wait, let me explain. Please calm down.
But don't vex me. I don't vex you.
I'm going to die.
Lie down. Lie down.
But I told you that I will give you the list. Echika, I told you now that I'll give you this list. I will give you. If I said I will give you, I will give you. My brother, I don't like the way you're putting pressure on this thing. It is another pressure.
Ekene, the last time you told me this same thing, that you will give me list, that you give me up till today, I am still waiting for the list. Get them. Why the delay? What's happening now? Why the delay?
I will get it. I will get the list for you. Your blood is too hot.
Ekene, if you remember very well, the last time you
you gave me 5,000 naira. You took me to that bar.
So now what's the wait for now? I gave you collected my 5,000. You collected a bottle of hot drink from me. You said it will help you to push it. What's the delay now? What's the delay?
Can you just imagine yourself? You want to be my in-law and you're raising voice. Why are you giving me this kind of attitude? I don't like this thing. Will I go to my uncle and use gun to collect the bride price list? It's my uncles that will give me the thing. I think you should calm down. I will give you this list now.
Ekene, I don't understand anymore. What is happening? As if you don't want me to marry your sister anymore. What is happening? Give me list, ordinary list that everybody will just draft and give you. My own, you keep postponing. I don't understand what you are.
But I'm not my uncles now. I'm not the one that to give me list. We only one person, Ekene, to write list and give you. If I give you the list that in my head now, you cannot afford it. You can tell the motto. Calm down. They are the one to give list. I tell you, say, I will give you the list. Leave it. I have somewhere to go. My bed is cutting. I don't understand. I have somewhere to go, please.
So when am I expecting it?
See, I have your contacts. See, I have your two contacts on my phone. I will call you and give you the list. Because I'm not like you're shouting too much. Everything, you don't even allow me pass. You just block me. Because you're using your eyes to intimidate me. You big pass me. I don't like Kamo. Because I will call you. I have something to do. And my bed now call to go and every time list. You cannot list. I don't understand.
This is not fair at all. This is the same thing you told me the last time. You took money from me, you took drink from me, you still telling me the same thing. This is not fair. Check it now, you check it. What is all this now? And now list, people will just draft and give you so that I will know what I'm doing. You are busy telling me now, what is this one about? Huh? As if you don't want me to marry your sister. What is this one now? This is not fair. I'm telling you, this is not fair. You should give me the list. Do the right thing now. If you don't want me to marry your sister, so that I will know this one. Check it, oh. This is not fair. I'm telling you now. It's not fair. You delaying everything. You delaying me. You delaying yours. You delaying everything now.
Yeah, hello? Chima, where are you? I thought you were in the palace. What? Chima, where are you? Where? Hello? Where are you, Chima? Where are you? I need... Chima, do not call the phone. Do not call the call. Do not call. Let's call.
You just stay from Galadi. you something. Anyaga for very fair. Anyagi, for very fair. For we fair back.
Open the gate. Open the gate. And where do you think you're going? Sorry,
What is happening? Where is it?
Which one is scrampling again? I don't understand. What kind of grammar is that, scrampling?
Adesi, what's your matter? I wasn't talking to you.
I beg, shift. It's your smelling mouth.
How dare you? Are you trying to say my mouth is smelly?
I don't understand.
Are you stupid? Are you mad?
What is that for?
Leave me alone!
What is that for?
Leave me!
Don't tell that no social again.
What do you want to do? Stop!
Papa.
Mama, give me my phone. Which phone? Mama, give me my phone.
Which phone?
Mama, give me my phone. You need my phone. What's the problem now?
Don't speak on my head, though.
Mama, give my phone.
Which phone is that?
Mama, give my phone. Mama, your phone.
If I don't give you the phone, what will you do?
Mama, give my phone.
No, if I don't give you the phone, what will you do?
I'll put my hand and collect it, though. I'll put my hand and collect it, though.
I'm not giving you anything.
Mama, every time you people shouting, Mama, what is it?
Tell your mother to give me my phone.
Mama, what are you doing with her phone?
Why won't I boy? Chiamaka wants to go and tell Echika what we were planning. Chiamaka wants to run away from this community with Echika.
What's not possible, no?
How? A child that I carried in my womb for 10 months. 10 solid months. You refused to come out when it was 9 months. And you want to leave. You want to run to where? You are going nowhere. You are going nowhere. You will marry the priest, whether you like it or not. I carried you in my womb and I gave back to you. You are not going anywhere.
What is going on? That you're running away with who? Echika? Are you mad? I thought we have had this conversation now. Eh? Talk to me and you're looking
Talk to you. What do you want me to talk to you about? What do you want me to talk to you about? Mama, it's obvious that you hate me. All the love yours, Anya Sapelam na. Anya Sapelam. It has to hear that you hate me. It's obvious that you hate me. You, Mama. You that is supposed to be by my side. You know what I went through. You know what Icheka went through because of me. You're supposed to take the thing that I'm taking. I'm taking.
Ah, man, shut up. Take it away. Take it away, I'm asking you. Take it. Who is taking you? Who is taking my only daughter away? Shut it up. You're not going anywhere. If you try, Chiamaka, if you try it, I will send blow for you.
It's okay.
Chiamaka, don't provoke me. Don't provoke me.
Mama,
Chiamaka.
Mama, it's okay. Wait. Mama, calm down. You'll be setting blow.
I will kick you. Why won't I set blow?
You are setting blow for my mother. Are you mad? In Apuala, which one is you're facing Mama with blow?
Mama,
are you mad?
I'm not fear.
Yeah. Madam, you know what? If you dare leave this house, so you want to elope. So after our sweat, because of want you to become a queen, become a good person. Hey, you don't want to be a queen. Are you a fool?
You can't become a queen now.
I would have spit on your face. Don't try me. Don't try me.
No, it's nothing you can do.
Don't try me.
Give my phone, oh.
See.
Tell me to give my phone, oh. Tell me to give my phone. Nobody will enter this house, oh. Nobody will enter this house. Don't give my phone, oh.
Come
and carry me inside.
You want to fight me?
Come on, do you know what I did in NYSC? Do you know the thing I did in NYSC?
Because you at school. You're a graduate. You want to show me that you can throw blow.
No, come on.
I'm leaving you because of you're going to marry the queen. I'm going to that way.
Give my thing, though. If you don't give my phone, nobody will enter this house.
I didn't see you.
Nobody will enter this house. Give me my phone. Nobody will enter this house without giving my phone. Come and give my phone. No, you come and give my phone. No, you come and give my phone. Don't you come phone the more.
Hey, go in there, bring that thing to me, and give her 30 minutes drills. Hurry! Rubbish.
Hey! Something wrong with you? I said, if you don't leave my compound, I will slide you into it. Leave my compound right now.
How dare you? Bring me that daughter of yours, that bastard you gave birth to. Bring her here! I want to discipline her myself.
Out of my compound!
out of my compound right away.
This has not ended yet, old man. I'll come back. In fact, I know where to get your daughter. I will deal with her.
Just get out of my compound.
Old Kakafuego.
Get out!
Do I look like I'm scared of you?
I said, get out of my compound.
Stupid!
If you come here again, I will... Go ahead, get out of me.
Rubbish!
Get out.
Old man!
Just leave my compound!
Who is doing that? Greetings, my queen.
Is my daughter here?
It's your daughter. She's not here.
Is my daughter here?
She's not here, my queen.
You better be telling me the truth.
But that is the truth now.
I hope so. Retarded people everywhere.
Here. Here. This royal family. What is this now?
What did happen for you?
You know that the palace, the people that will straight into the palace.
Why? Okay, you're the man. What did happen for here? What did they stop for this place? What could have been man by this now? What did it is? I go break on my head. Stop them and call it here. It's a threat. Put on the mask. For this place. Who carry me come here? Hey, Ajay, blood go flow. Who carry me come this place? Hello? How be police cell be this? Hey! Open this place! Who locked me here? Ajay, if not come at me from this place, eh? I go bring down this palace. Open this gate. What be this?
Mother, read my lips. That girl must rot in that cell. Nothing will stop me from teaching her a lesson. I swear by the gods, she must die. Chiwendo must die. She had the guts to touch me. The effrontery to attack me, the princess of this land. Is she mad? Tell her that this is just the beginning. She's yet to see the product I am made of.
Young lady, I do not want any trouble of any kind. I do not want any trouble of any kind. Do you understand that?
Do I look like I'm scared? Are you forgetting that I am the princess of this kingdom? I want trouble. Tell her to bring it on. I keep to my...
It's all right. Ichie, what are your plans? I mean, your plans as regards to the land.
My brother Oji is dead, all because of that land. You don't tell me that you nor your mother have not heard that I lost my brother Oji because of that land.
You are stupid.
Huh?
Very, very stupid. What is wrong with you? What has the death of your brother has to do with the land? No, tell me. Did I kill your brother? Am I the one to bury your brother? Talk to me. Tell me.
My prince, I am disappointed. Yes, I am highly disappointed. My queen, my hands are off from that land. The money, I don't want it again. I don't want to get involved in that land again.
Lies. You lie, you old fool.
Also?
Shut up. What is your problem? What is the color of your problem, you cacafuego? You are to deliver this job and you must get it done. Only if my mother will allow me to handle it my way, your brother would have been long gone. Silly. Get out! Get out!
Moa, get out!
Get out! Stop! Cacafuego. Silly. Rubbish.
The land has been barricaded with your movie.
I removed it. Everything.
I am trying to tell you that I saw it today. They have replaced it. And I do not want you to remove it. We have enough problem as it is. Do not remove the movie.
What problem are you talking about, mother? We agreed to take this land. What is wrong with you, mother?
Nothing is wrong with me. Ono has sworn. He has sworn to use everything within his power to make sure you don't become the king of this land in the next few weeks.
Really?
That is the problem.
No.
The problem.
No. That will not happen. That will not happen at all.
Yes, they are planning for it to happen. Ichie Okonkwo and Ono are putting heads together to make sure that you will not become king. But son, relax. I want you to do me just one favor. Get me a wife for yourself. A woman you would want to become the queen of this kingdom, and I will make you the king over everyone. I will make sure you rule this kingdom.
Really?
Just get me a wife for yourself.
Really? How is that even possible? The Lord do not permit it. Hey, watch your tongue. Do not promise what you can't fulfill.
You watch your tongue, young lady. I, Queen Dora Ugeze, said I will crown my son the king of this kingdom. Just get me a wife as soon as possible. Let me know who will stand by my wife.
Yes, I will be the king. The king of this land. It is a must.
Look at what they do to my sister's shop, Papa.
What is going on here?
Look at what the human being do to my sister's shop.
What is the meaning of this?
Imagine everything there ground. All her goods, everything there ground.
Look at the gas.
Sister,
Why?
Chiwando.
Where is she?
Chiwando not here, Papa.
She's not here.
She's not here. Look at what the human beings do to my sister's business. Eh? These heartless people, look at what they do. Look at everything there ground. Papa, I'm not gonna take this one. Is it this one? I'm not gonna take her. Chiwando.
The only place she can be right now must be in the palace. Because the people that did this are those useless palace touts.
Papa, yes. What are we waiting for now? Let's start going to the palace. They must provide my sister now.
Let's go, please.
They must provide my sister. Look at what the human beings do. Papa, look this thing. Let's pay in jail like this. Let's go. They're not crazy. They go pay for everything. No sense.
Open this gate! Queen Adora! Hey, I laugh in Spanish. You just won't bring calamity come this kingdom. If you don't open this place, I go burn this place, oh! I know well, oh!
You dare try to remove me and my son from what we have worked for all these years. You must be delusional to think that it will work.
Because of land, now you carry me come put for this place. No, sir, say you know they get yourself as queen. Because of land will not be your own. Come out me from this place now, otherwise I go scatter this place. Remove me from here. You dey mad? Queen Adora. I go, come on me from this place!
I like your guts, you know. Actually love your guts. But the battle line has been drawn. And you will hear from me pretty soon. You will hear from me! If you dance too badly.
Okay. Queen Adora!
nonsense be this? Which kind of oppression be this?
So what happened?
Sister Chiwendu is very, very, very strong. The woman is very, 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 very active. If you see the way she was fighting, they should have allowed her to tear some skins. I don't know how she did it. I think she's a prison breaker.
My babe with the premium.
Bet me. Let us bet. I will tell the queen that you are not a fan.
A fan how? Did I say anything?
We're not talking about anybody.
You are a rebel in this kingdom and you should be punished for that.
Me?
You!
That
are
guy
nothing to that.
Did I come?
Did I tell you anything?
We're not talking about anything.
I don't know. This girl, see, me, I don't leave you.
What is even
I
wrong
don't
with this
know.
girl?
I don't know.
No way. No. This can't be true. How did she get a key? How did she break out? No. This is not true. I'm not going to take it.
But we saw the cell open. How come Chuma has the key?
A guard helped her to escape. Someone must be responsible for this. I am certain. She's not a ghost, and I'm sure she does not have any power to disappear from that cell.
Chiwendo, please, you have to calm down. I'll pay for the damage, but you really need to calm down, please.
I can see that my family is no longer safe in this kingdom. And as for you, Chiwendo, why did you go attacking the princess? You had her beaten up and fed her with sand. Why?
What?
Isha!
Correct. Shut up there.
I'm sorry, sir.
Chiwendo, you did that?
I did the worst. I flogged the princess like small pikin. I deal with them well. I tell am say I go come for her. She thinks I dey joke. She no fear, she slap my papa. She no fear, she get her moral, slap my papa. It don't be oh. And I go do second coming oh. Because she destroy my shop, come put me for her boots. No, my second coming go bad. You go hear this cause now.
Sister Chiwendu, only you now.
I said shut up.
I'm sorry, sir.
And how did you even break the key? You want to wound your hand?
It's so simple, sir. Very simple. I did it smoothly.
Queen Adora! Remove me from this place! Hello? What be this? Remove me from this place, otherwise I go fall this building, make everybody kukuma die. Queen Adora! Adora! Adora!
Sister Chiwendu, calm down. I'm coming to get the key. I'm coming. Just hold on.
Okay.
Don't shout. Just keep quiet. I'm coming.
No go shout again.
too much. Chop not go. You correct chick. I go lie for you. Oh.
I really appreciate and you will be rewarded. But my love, you have to stop this fight, please.
You see that fight? It no go stop. I must continue with that princess.
You stop that. You want me to break your head?
Papa, I no go stop. That princess on too much. She destroy my business. Since she no get business, why I go destroy her life. I go finish her.
Supported. My love, you have to take things easy, okay? There are other ways to resolve this.
I'm not gonna take am easy. That princess must collect woto from my hand. Make her no talk. My second coming go bad.
I trust you, sister. I trust you.
Biko, my brother, please forgive me. Biko, you know you are my brother, my only brother now.
Forgive you?
Yes, please forgive me. You know you are my brother.
What happened?
Let me confess.
Confess?
Yes. I want to tell you why the queen wants your land. I am done trying to make it happen. Huh? Biko, forgive me. Biko.
You say they don't betray you.
I am sorry. That is why I have come to confess. Biko, no. My brother, please.
In this house with you.
You better leave here now.
For what? I'm not going anywhere.
Right now.
I am not going anywhere. I heard she lives in this house. Bring her out. I want to teach her a lesson myself.
You don't want to see my bad side, right?
Oh,
leave
wait.
now.
Hey, listen. I command you to give me that thing that lives in this house with you.
You have to leave now.
I am
I'm
not
serious
going
about
anywhere.
that. What is wrong with you?
Stop it! Where is she? Bring her out.
You want to see me? You look like me. Leave now.
What can you do?
What did they happen for her? What did they call for this place?
Babe.
What did they happen? What did she do for this house?
Babe,
Hey, what are you doing in my man's house?
You say?
What have you been doing here?
What be your man?
Him. It's okay. What kind of rubbish is that? What are you doing in my man's house?
You dey mad?
What are you doing in my man's house?
You dey mad?
Babe,
You dey mad?
just wait.
Leave me for here.
Babe, just
Hey,
It's okay.
this has not ended. This has not ended. Look at this silly thing here.
Calm down. It's okay, babe. Babe, just...
Oh, this is stop now. You don't let this get wrong.